kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Nagalem na jongki kila promise na education department ki ong tang Bnai. Pihun nem. Em. Ya ba pihun tingin nilai kumno. Continue ba ito. Ni tang kawai ben ni keren pi ba nomor ba nagalem ada ke department kila ong mene ba barap thap ong matang Bnai. Bat sa kawai ong ba insadon dia kata ka phone kepala asa jong new financial year bala det. Bakin sa persyang ban siuno hadin tayo lai tayo kumut kala ban long lai Bnai la ni sau Bnai tingi ya kata nyimla ban ngit ban nyimla ban yaisha ban yai apsu nomor bala sau Bnai san Bnai mentai ngila ap sakat no ngide banap lada ka kular ada kiwan yang hangne tin kular da ka jingtho man pensai ba ngide banyo tulop no sa hadin tayo ni sisi arsi ngin sangit ya kata Pdiang ya kata
iya ya kata no konta
to ngin sisim ya karai sibit langi nele kumno bat mentang ngin syong angne hadu sibit jadmit ban ladon hiru ka jiong ba sibit jadmit kin sa pentip biang ya ka ego kubor bakiyo bangi hadin mentang layo ya kata kubor ka bakado ngin sisim ya karai langin syong angne nangin le pai nangin le kumno ngin sim ya karai lang jongpi kinongikai kamdai karai tang jong la simet ne kamrai jong spetri no presiden jongi kino yalam kini banden ke jinge teli kumbah kiwi ke teli ni bene teli bangi de bene syong hangne bangi de ban sim ya karai barang ba hatat adu narayo ya kata pisal ni ka Bible ga jungi ngin sale shalaki jing shalaki jaka sa ki jongi de kata ka de karai ka jonga ban sobon bong pi ban ngin ya but lang ya kata ban ngin ban Pdiang ya kata ka bahang layo hangte ya ka result ka baya kendu hangte nge syong de jan sikinta he kamban kanu ka result ka madaling jungi yong ba datang Bnai ngimla ban Pdiang dalile ru em ya kata ka tulop lane ya kata ka jingsiu na kaliang ta Sorkar badila personal hero bayong bomai bande insaf khot biang yangi hakmat jong sias ban ya penbe ya kata la ka state government kala na man pendap sa Bnai kumut kan long sau Bnai tinga training up ni adu ka siningkong la kalong kumro kumnoro ngin sa sim ya karai biang sa ka siningkong dia Pdiang ya kata ning siu jenjar ne kala da ngisu jenjar ne ngin sa sim karai ka bab kulum ya barok lang ngin syong ngin daya tai ba nalami nang ne chwa bang le nang ne ngin tai ba kumno bing ne le markam dei tangkarai jong asime lagi di besim ya karai ka bobun ya karai jong piwi be be dan hang
from time to time we are not treated as teachers. When the time we get salary, the whole society will ask us, do you get your salary? We heard in the news, everybody knows that we get our salary. When we don't get our salary, even those who have supported us, grocery shops who have supported us, they will see that we cannot support you anymore because you cannot pay all the dues. What about the school fees of our children, exam fees, uniforms, books that we have bought? We cannot pay all dues with a 2 months salary. We are compelled to be here today as teachers in front of this toilet. In front of the toilet. I'm very, very sad and I'm not happy at all. The government of Meghalaya has not considered education as a vehicle of transformation for the society. Actually, we are teachers who builds the nation. We are an asset to the society, but totally here, we are made to be a liability. We are a part of the vulnerability group of people. During the times that illnesses comes to our family, we have to go and beg, borrow money. With what will we pay if the government is not releasing our full salary? Actually, if the government had paid our 8 months areas, we should have paid all our dues, all our debts, and we should have slept peacefully. We should have been at ease with our family. We are truly, would like to tell that we, the SSA teachers, we are not physically physically happy, not physically at peace, not psychologically at rest.